This is the printed V-neck dress with short sleeves. I love the gorgeous flower print on this one. Just makes it very spring, summer feeling, super feminine. You can see the cuff sleeve there has a beautiful frill on each sleeve. And even at the bottom, they have extra frills on there, which gives the dress just beautiful movement all throughout it. I feel like this would be great for going for brunch, out for breakfast, maybe just for a girls' shopping day. This really is a stunning piece. So I have it in a size medium here, which I'm usually right between a size medium or large. The mediums seem to fit true to size, so that's perfect. The bust on it in inches is 40.9, shoulder width 15.2, sleeve length 8.1, cuff 23.5, and front length 36.6. I would say this is a longer fitting dress. It comes just a little bit above my knees. I'm about 5'3.5" for size reference. And I do love that up top, right kind of where you've got the V-neck on the chest, you can choose to have it untied or tied up if you want a little bit more modesty. As you can see with the movement here, definitely some great flow with the material. The material is made of 100% polyester. And overall, I would say this is a great dress for spring or summer. But really, if you wanted to wear some tights and wear it in the winter, you probably could do that as well with the proper layering pieces. It is totally opaque. It's got 2 layers at the kind of bottom skirt base. So you've got a slip underneath as well as that floral print over top. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. They do make it in a few other color variations. So I've got kind of their purpley pink ones, but they also do it in, they call it a apricot base, a pink base, a more black base that has kind of more navies drawn from it, and a yellow. This dress also comes in size small through extra large. Love it.